Alright guys, this is Alpha WereFox once again for Fox Motors. Getting a lot of requests on how to put body kits on Fox Motors cars. Today we're going to be putting body kits on a Supra because it is my favorite car, and showing you how to do it perfectly and the right way, etc. Some tricks and whatnot. Not all body kits come separate like the Supra does here. So to show you, I have some TC body kits here. They're all linked together. The easiest way to grab, say, a bumper here is to get it in a view like this. Edit link parts, and you want to select only my objects on because you don't want to select stuff around you. And just make a liar out of me, apparently. Okay. There we go. Make sure you get all the parts. Use shift to select all of them. And you can control shift L to delink and relink it. And then you have your bumper. For some reason, SL is being a little weird today. You could always select each individual part until you have them all. I mean, there's really not a lot of parts to each car. There's a bottom, don't forget. You can always move it and press Ctrl Z to go back so everything stays lined up. But as you can see, this is quite simple. Like that one's separated already. Same thing for every part. Same process. However, we're not doing a TC, so this is going bye-bye. Alright, there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can delink the whole car and delete each part that you don't need. Or you can do it this way. There's so many different ways. Anyways, the most important thing when you are doing a body kit is use the snap to grid. Pick a number that's, rounded off 136, 000, 135, 00, whatever, so it's easy to remember. And that's pretty much it for that. Now what you can do is to put on a body kit, use edit link parts, and what you want to do is select everything. I just keep selecting until I get everything. For a Supra, I got some shines added on. And make sure you get all the parts. Everything. Control Shift L, deselect the car, delete. It is a little bit easier to have the car raised up when you're doing body kits. Here's another part I missed. Control Shift L, delete. And as you can see, that's removed. Now, another complaint I get is my body kits don't fit the car exactly because it's not scaled exactly to the car. For argument's sake, I will purposely make one too big. So, alright, say this is too big, too small, whatever. We'll go with too big. Now you want to bring it to the car, center it to your number that you used before, which in our case is 136. Roughly line it up to the car. Most of the kits are smaller than the car. It's the same process. Stretch both sides, shrink down, and line up to the car. tell this one's too small. It's really, really easy once you figure out the method of doing this. For example, you do it like that, or we'll take a body kit and we'll purposely shrink it. Here we go. Same process. Center it using snap to grid. I have mine set at 0.1. Now, as you can see, the bumper's too small this time. Same process. Center it. Roughly make it as big as it's supposed to be. And just line it up. And it's like magic. Perfectly centered, no issues. I mean, I am a perfectionist, so I keep looking at it, make sure it's perfect. And there you go, it's perfect. And once you line it up, select it, hold shift, link to the car. Now it's the same process for the skirts and the rear bumper, the spoiler. It's all the same process. Just center it and you stretch both sides till it is the right size and link it to the car. Now, say the whole car is kitted. This is a problem that a lot of people have. They say my car doesn't move after I kit it. Features, set to none. Wait for the error to pop up. If it ever pops up. There you go, cannot set roof rims to have no shape. You want to select all four wheels with edit link parts. And then you want to select bumper, body, and rear bumper. Just like that. And then you want to set to convex hull. Once that's done, your car is scripted and moves. As you can see, this is physical and it works. You can click and drag it and make sure it works. Also, don't forget when you add the rear bumper to put the parking brake script back in, which this car is stock still, so it has it. Don't forget to do that. Other than that, that is how you add body kits perfectly to a car and make sure it moves. Hope this helps you. This is WereFox signing off.